Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bull Bitcoin Club token. Ticker symbol is BBC. This token just got listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Bull Bitcoin Club, or Bull BTC Club. So this token just got listed today, February 1st, 2023, on a central exchange called Hotbit. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section. Search BBC, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. The cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lock up, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways to earn really high APY on a lot of different tokens on Hotbit. So if you don't have a Hotbit account, definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. That's where this token just got listed today. It says trading opens up at 10 a.m. UTC time on Hotbit Global. So you'll be able to get this token today. Now, they're a very well-established project already. If you head over to their Twitter, which is at Bull BTC Club NFT, they have 260,200 Twitter followers. So a lot of Twitter followers. It says, Bitcoin aggregation platform with one-stop service aims to build the next computing power metaverse with NFTs. So that is their little heading here on their Twitter. They have 95,800 tweets. So very active on Twitter. Very well-established project already. So if you go over to their official webpage, like they said, there's NFTs on here. So you can mint NFTs. You can connect your wallet to their webpage and do that. They also have Medium articles available on here. A Discord, a Twitter, a Telegram. So Bull Bitcoin Club is a hash rate service platform integrating Bitcoin hash rate distribution and multiple financial derivatives of Bitcoin. Bull BTC Club operates with large Bitcoin mining pools, mining machine manufacturers, mining plants, and power suppliers around the world, and served with Bitcoin hash rate mystery box, hash rate NFT, Bitcoin machine gun pool, Bitcoin lending, and other diversified Bitcoin financial derivatives, bringing a systematic Bitcoin hash rate mining financial derivatives value-added service to users. At the top of the page, they have links to Gravity NFTs, governance pool, farming, Gravity, Genesis, it says more. Then they have Metaverse, hash rate market, Vault, lending, Synthesis, IMO, My NFTs, Linktree. You could change the language, and you could also change the chain here to Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Hiko, Solana, OKX, Aptos, and Polygon. So yeah, tons of stuff on here. They show you like what a whole bunch of different NFTs look like. So the blueprint here, it says hash rate mystery box. Bitcoin Club hash rate mystery box is designed by Bull BTC Club technical team. It combines the NFT rare attribute and Bitcoin actual hash rate mining, quantifies the Bitcoin hash rate, and tokifies the smart contract. In order to better adapt to the development of the platform hash rate. It issued the NFT hash rate token set. Also has the Bitcoin Vault. The user only needs to provide a portion of Bitcoin or NFT assets and can borrow USDT through Bull Decentralization Agreement or stake Bitcoin to earn interest. There's also Bitcoin lending, so Bull BTC Club BTC lending pool, where users can lend Bitcoin or cryptocurrency to earn interest by providing a portion of the pledged assets and through the Bull BTC Club decentralized agreement. And lastly, there's also the hash rate NFTs. So Bull BTC Club has different calculation force specifications, different NFT rarity corresponding to different NFT calculation force. Users can pledge NFT calculation force to obtain Bitcoin calculation force mining income of different specifications. So the roadmap here, it says BBC Labs was established and the BBC DAO organization was set up in Q4 2021. Then in 2022, Bull launches Genesis brand NFTs and goes online with third-party NFT trading marketplace Bull BTC Club Computing Power Mystery Box launch. And then Q1 right now, 2023, it says Bull BTC Club Governance Token. So this is the token that's coming out right now on Hotbit as of today. It's a brand new token on their roadmap here for Q1 2023. BBC airdrop campaign opens. Bull Bitcoin Club node governance and club members recruitment opens. So what's coming up in the future this year? Q2, they're going to have BBC Computing Power Exchange beta opens. Q3 this year, launch the NFT Computing Power trading market. And then in Q3 also they're going to have POW miner protocol goes online to enable mint NFT function to qualified miner users. And then in Q2 2025, we're going to have launch BBC Metaverse, offering Metaverse open scene services for POW mining pools and miners. Now, lastly, before we wrap this video up, we'll just check out the token information. So this is on the Binance Smart Chain, this token. So far, they have 11,877 holders, 108,342 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 2.1 billion tokens. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.